as we all know the significance of the deity Ori in the sphere of IC's spirituality. Ori is tagged as the custodian to human destiny. Therefore, it is pertinent to be cognizant of the necessary steps in effectively feeding one of the most cherished deity. Here are 7 steps a person propitiating Ori should take note. Bathe before activity begins. You should take your bath and deal with your toilet needs before the activity begins. This is because Ori loves a serene and hygienic environment. Therefore, it requires you to be clean before having a conversation or request with the deity, and as the popular saying thus, cleanliness is next to godliness. This also ensures negativity are warded off before the process begins. Putting on the finest of attire, you should put on your finest cloth during this sacred activity. Though not important but necessary, your Ori deserves the best services you can offer in ample exchange of goodness, guidance, and prosperity or your desired wish. Everything must be close to perfect when propitiating or feeding your Ori. 3. Provision of necessary elements. You should place all the ritual elements where the abori is to be performed. Of course, this is the obvious. Keep in mind and make available all necessary materials as proffered by Ifa Orisà before the propitiation begins. 4. Paying homage. With total submission to the Orisà and Olójúmare, you should chant Iba. Paying homage to whom due to is necessary when conducting any ritual in the IC's community, hence feeding Ori is no different. Paying homage gives recognition to necessary energies, which may enhance the acceptability of your ritual. Some popular entities' energies that are mostly recognized when paying homage are the ancestors, the names of one's parents, Ori, above all, Olójúmare. 5. Request wishes. After the homage is the explanation prayers to the Ori. Here, necessary requests are put forward for Ori to grant. 6. Mentioning of materials. While making request, it is pertinent to mention all the materials given to Ori. Pray over these things, then offer them to your Ori by touching each item on the forehead. 7. Babalawo reinforces the request. Here, the Babalawo says necessary prayers chants to reinforce or support your request. This process also requires the Babalawo to offer the items to Ori. If a rooster is offered to Ori, the right middle finger should be used to touch the blood. Then rubbed on the head from the front forehead to the back of the head 3 times with the middle finger collecting the blood each time. Whenever Ori is appeased, Ori Inu must also be propitiated. To propitiate Ori Inu, one must put whatever is given to one's Ori on the tip of the index finger and touch the navel by saying the following prayer. May my Ori Inu work positively in conjunction with my Ori. The same index finger with the offering still on it should be used to touch the right big toe, and a prayer that says, may my feet not lead me astray should be said. Stay indoor. After the abori, staying indoor and to remain calm are the next step. This gives Ori due respect and the ability to work effectively without any hindrances. It is important for the person to stay away from anything that can excite him or that day because of the necessity to remain indoor after the abori. It is advisable for the extremely busy person to do the abori in the evening after retiring from all daily activities or in the early morning before embarking on daily tasks. It is equally important for whoever propitiates his or her Ori to abstain from sex on the day-night of the propitiation.
Àdìbà forí ẹni ló